Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody had a question on a Facebook page, how they could get rounded corners on a line every time they draw a line. So we just take a 2-point line and hold down the control button, get a perpendicular line. Every line is going to be that thickness and rounded corners. So how you do that with nothing selected. Go down here to your pen tool and double click on it. Graphic, which the lines are a graphic, hit OK. Then anything you put in here, it's going to save. Let's make this really thick, 16 points, rounded caps. You can even have it scale with object or whatever, and then hit OK. And then I would go to Tools and Save as default. Then every time you draw a line, it's going to have rounded corners. Now to get that back, just do the same thing. I draw in Hairline, so I'm going to go back to Hairline red. And on Hairline, it doesn't really matter if you have rounded corners, but I'm going to have square caps. Then hit OK, and then take the 2-point line, draw a line, and now you've got a hairline again in red and square caps. And then again, I'll save that as default. And it's done for the next time. Just make sure all this is checked and you're done. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.